The following message is transmitted from the United States government. The large red monster that attacked the city 2 days ago has been spotted off the shores of Canada. All residents are required to stay safe. The following message is transmitted from the United States government. The large red monster is attacking the city of Canada. The military are once again trying to stop this monster. All residents are required to stay inside their homes at once. The following message is transmitted from the United States government. The large red monster is still attacking the city of Canada and killing millions of people. The military have been trying their best, but nothing is working, so the government has decided to launch a nuke on the monster in one last effort to kill it. The following message has been transmitted from the United States government. The government has decided to launch a nuke on the large red monster in one last attempt to kill it. All residents are required to evacuate immediately.
Ugh. Those silly humans actually thought that they could try to kill me with a nuke? Pathetic. Now it's time for me to go and take over this whole world all by myself.
Oh no, you aren't.
What? Solomon, you're alive? How's that possible? I thought I had gotten rid of you.
Yeah, well, you didn't. And now it's time for me to put an end to this once and for all. Because I'm tired of watching innocent people suffer at your hands.
Oh well, Solomon, I guess I'm going to have to finish you off. And once I do, I will take over this world all by myself and rule this entire world.
Oh yeah? Well, I will not let that happen.
Alright, let's fight.